I think you are very aware of who you are. You know exactly who you are. Your path is nothing that could be compared to another one. You've been taken for granted your entire life. People, they thought they could be around you forever, just utilizing your light as I'm hearing a fountain, infinite fountain. But because you're an earth angel, you've kept giving and giving and giving because this is your natural ability. You do not count. You're just so pure. You just spread love. You don't make difference between your mission and your human life. This is just the way you're wired. You just can't stop giving. You're a giver. The thing is, when you're an empath, you must balance your light with taking and receiving. You cannot just give. Your boundaries, they just have to be very strong. And you will recognize these messages for you because you have been going through very difficult places and positions in your life because you kept giving. And you were expecting the people in front of you to receive your light, to take care of your light the way it should be. But not only they didn't, and what also wanted to come is not everybody is like you. And it's a tough one. It's a tough lesson. Always. Because again, I'm talking to a high vibrational being. I'm talking to an earth angel. Not every chosen is an earth angel. Not every shaman is an earth angel. Not every star seed is an earth angel. You've been just abused your entire life. God, the Most High, put you in this position, as your success is based on this teaching, this learning, how you navigate this abuse. What are you doing about it? Are you learning from your mistake? You might go through a very deep transformation at this time, where you are really opening your eyes regarding where you've been going your entire life. Who you shared your energy with. So koma ada are ene eke tere io no otoro ogoro uno kosoro uma dadara eanata. Deep shadow work you're doing right now. Deep night. Dark night of the soul for some of you. I don't know where you are, but I feel you. You're healing some deep wounds from a past life, my beautiful. Keep going. And if you need some help, you can check my website. I'll be happy to work with you. I offer powerful codes, downloads, and activation. Also work, deep work, masterclass, one-on-one session. It's deep work. It's not for everybody. I love you. And until next time, namaste.